Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play the formula pattern scale in the key of A flat major. We'll cover both 2 octaves and 4 octaves in this video. So we're going to start with reviewing the notes of an A flat major scale. They are Do, A flat, Re, B flat, Mi is C, Fa, D flat, So, E flat, La, F, T is G, and Do is A flat. So the fingering for this is a little bit tricky. We use 4 black keys in this scale. So the fingering for the right hand, we're going to start on 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Left hand's going to start on 3, and then cross with 4, and 3, and 4, and then 3. So left hand is used to crossing with 3 here, so that's the only tricky thing. Remember to cross with 4 for the first cross. So there's a couple things to keep in mind. Are the hands playing parallel, same direction, at the same time? Or are they playing in contrary motion, which means one hand is going up and one hand is going down, like this. Right hand's going up the scale. Now left hand's going up the scale. So in the contrary motion, you really have to keep track of your cross-unders, crossovers, and your black keys. So take a look at the chart up above. That's the organization of the formula pattern scale, and it's in segments. The parallel segments have the lines close together, so our first segment is up. Then with the diamond shape, that's our contrary, so out and in. Then another parallel, up and down, another contrary, out, in, finally down. So we're going to lock in all of those changes and the fingering with a scale using short and long rhythms. It's going to feel like this. So we'll put 3 on Do, 3 on Do. First segment is a parallel segment, and it is up. Here we go. Left hand cross with 4. Right hand cross under 3. Now right hand's going to keep on going. Left hand changes direction. Now we're contrary. Now in, contrary. Cross with 4, left hand. Now left hand's going to keep on coming up. Right hand's going to turn around. Cross with 4. We're parallel now. And parallel, down. Left hand keeps going down. Right hand changes direction, contrary. Out. Contrary, in. Cross with 4. Now right hand's going to keep coming down. Left hand's going to turn around. Parallel, down, last segment. Now we're going to do this without the dotted rhythms. Here we go. First segment is up. If you take a look at the chart up above, once again, you'll see the only thing that changes when we switch to 4 octaves is the length of the segments. So for the 2 octaves, we had 1 octave up, 1 octave out, in, up, down, out, in, and down. Now our hands will still be 1 octave apart, but the segments are going to be 2 octaves. Up, down, out, in, and back down. So here we go. 2 octaves up, first segment parallel. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of A flat major. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.